Your dance is so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. What was it called again?
Bagurumba.
Bagarumba. And I love the sound of the flute. Could I have a look?
Yes, please. Look at these holes. In Bodo flute, you'll find 5 holes. 5 is a very important number in Bodo life. In fact, the entire Bodo philosophy derives from 5 elements. And the Bodo religion is called Bato. Ba means 5, To means deep.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Please, join us. Come.
All right, come on. Come on, Kel.
Okay. Thank you.